Madam Speaker, I rise to ask question number 6 of 2017 put under my name. The question is directed to the Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation. And the question is, self-reliance is a fundamental value of the Fijian government. The welfare of the workforce program has contributed to that. Can the Minister provide a brief to this House on the welfare graduation programs that has improved family livelihoods? Thank you.
Thank you. And I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The welfare graduation program of the Ministry focuses on graduating recipients of the Poverty Benefit Scheme and Social Protection Scheme for children out of the welfare program so that they're able to stand on their own feet. To do that, government has allocated $1 million in this year's budget to assist recipients to start livelihood projects as income generating income for their families. The training of these recipients is conducted by the National Council for Small Micro Enterprise Development in conjunction with my ministry to build the capacities of these recipients so that they're able to manage these livelihood projects for themselves. From 2010 to 2016, the ministry has assisted around 570 benefits of social protection programs. This will be an ongoing project for government, which is looked after by my ministry, and some of these projects are thriving as we speak. They include vegetable farming, livestock farming, canteens, sewing, bee farming, fishing, jewelry making, and many others, Madam Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Salvador, supplementary question.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Minister for her explanation. The question is, out of the 570 that have been graduated, what is the success rate? And for those that have failed, how are they further assisted? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
The 571 that have been assisted, the successful ones right now are 236 out of that 571. There is a need for continuous capacity building with most of these recipients. You would understand, Madam Speaker, that to, first of all, be eligible for poverty benefit scheme and social protection schemes, there are certain yardsticks that have to be met. We are talking about recipients that most of them have not had the necessary skills or capacity building or level of schooling that would enable success. So there is a high demand for advocacy, for capacity building with these recipients, and that is an ongoing project also. Government has allocated quite a bit also for the training of these recipients ongoing. It's a multi-stakeholder effort, not only with my ministry, but also with NCS Med to do this capacity building.
Thank you. You're allowed only one question. I now give the floor to the Honourable Raki.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. My question is, what is the timetable or program for these graduates to take ownership of their business? Is there any plan or continuing incubation period for these recipients? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
The normal timeline is 6 months to graduate a recipient out of the welfare program. But, Madam Speaker, it's a case-by-case analysis that we do before graduation is done.
Thank you. Honourable Leader of Opposition. Supplementary question to the Honourable Minister, Madam Speaker. How are those with special needs, meaning with disabilities, assisted through this particular program? Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. With persons living with disabilities, apart from what I've just already talked about, there's also a grant that the ministry gives to the National Council for Disabled Persons, which enables them to run the programs particularly suited for persons living with disabilities. This is an annual grant which is ongoing, and that goes towards that purpose. Apart from that, there are also initiatives to find employment with employers within my ministry and within government as well. It's a call out also for employers. Government has given initiatives for the employment of disabled persons. These initiatives need to be taken up by employers throughout Fiji to assist in this particular aim.
Thank you. Honorable Nawekula.
Of the 237 that are unsuccessful, are they left out totally, or can they be further assisted within the program?
Thank you, Honorable Minister.
Speaker, the 236 recipients with successful projects, they've been weaned off the social welfare program, meaning they're able to stand on their own feet and generate income to look after themselves and their families.